Thank you for your submission. I swear you guys are always first. So yes, the deltoid with all of its heads is fairly easy. I don't think anyone has ever gotten that wrong. Please don't be the first one. I'm worried I've created monsters that everyone in your class seems to like the extensor digitorum, but it actually is a cool muscle, even though I like it for juvenile reasons, because it has this nice banding of tendons going to all the fingers to help extend them. So I agree with you guys, it is a pretty cool muscle. So the teres major you guys found was boring. Yeah, probably is boring. It's not that exciting a muscle right here. So yeah, it's wrapping around, but nope, it looks like a typical boring muscle. Interesting that you found the teres minor hard, and I think a lot of people do, because I just removed the triceps and I removed the deltoid, and it is hiding under the teres minor, so let's hide that major. So let's hide that one. There's the teres minor. So you could see there's the origin right there. There's the insertion. It really is a small muscle, and a lot of students have commented both in the online class and in your class how it actually looks like it's part of the infraspinatus. So they look like they're part of the same muscle. It has its own epimysium, so it gets to be its own muscle. The gluteus maximus is a very easy muscle. That's the other one nobody's gone wrong. And I understand why you say the sartorius is cool. I mean, look at that. It starts up here, wraps all the way around, and then wraps into the tibial tuberosity right there. So it is actually a cool looking muscle. The only reason I make fun of it is it's one of those muscles that has a ton of actions at its origin, and that just bugs me and doesn't sit well with me having an action at your origin. And Jesus, the pectineus really is difficult. I mean, it's this little tiny thing hiding in there. So there's the pectineus, and it's another group as it's literally, oops, an inch long or 2 inches long. It hides. So there's the pectineus, and it's probably the most impossible muscle to find on our models. It is in the lab book because some teachers like it, but the pectineus and I are in a hate-hate relationship, so guaranteed I will not ask you the pectineus. You guys might have found a winner here for boring muscle, the fibularis longus. So here is the lateral metatarsal. It's going up. It's hiding. I mean, I don't like it because it's hiding. And it has its big brother right here, which is a lot cooler. It's bigger, easier to find. So yeah, the brevis is a really brief muscle. That's probably why I only have the longest on your study guide. Thank you for your submissions. Have a good day.